we go.
Okay, this is the flywheel off of that junk motor we're doing, the 76. So you can see how the shaft hole is actually spun in here a little bit. It's all kind of chewed up a little bit.
Can I go in there close?
Try to get that so you can see it.
Yep.
That other shaft is over here.
Okay. Sorry.
All right. Okay, here's our CR motor over here.
Okay. So what are we doing?
Now this one here is not all chewed up as much as that one is.
Okay. Well, that seems pretty new.
We still have the same issues. So we got the new shaft in here.
All right.
There's our new Harley shaft. So when you put this in there, you don't want the bottom out right in here. You want to make sure there's a gap in there after it's torqued. Right now we're not torqued. Right now there's a little bit of a gap. I can put my fingernail back in here.
Yeah. But that's not enough gap.
But when you torque it, it pulls in. We're going to cut this one deeper. This one over here, there's some issues. It goes in there. You get in the right spot. That's right there. It gets in pretty close. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut this down so when we tighten this up, because it's a bad taper, it'll pull in further.
Right. Excellent. Good stuff.
Right now you have a big chamfer on here. So you can cut this chamfer completely away and it won't make any difference on holding power of that taper.
Huh.
So what you do, you go and you measure how deep your chamfer is. Appears at about 30 thou deep. So you can cut 30 and not affect anything.
Sweet. And that's what you're about to do.
So we go in here, touch off our indicator. So we know how much we're cutting. And we'll know. Here we'll be out of balance. Set our 0. 10 thou cut. Wrong one. See the chamfer's disappearing, but it's got a little bit left.
Okay.
So that was 20 thou. Make sure we go big enough for the whole diameter. So it's got to be over 1 7/16. So if we go up to 1.5 inches, we should have plenty of meat. Right now we're about 3/8, so we have a little bigger diameter. Then we got to cut a little bit more. So we give it 10, so we'll be cutting a total of 30. Way more than we needed to, but just to make sure you stick that in there and you make sure we got way more than we needed.
Yep.
It's okay, we're not weakening that flywheel any. So now you're 30 out of it. So now you can actually get in there and check to make sure you got your clearance. If you made it real tight, you couldn't check your clearance. Now you can put a feeler gauge in there or whatever you want to do. You got plenty of room to get in there to check everything.
Yep.
Now I don't want to leave just a sharp edge on here, so I'm going to lightly deburr this with a deburring tool over here.
Deburring tool. The deburring tool. Picked up a couple of those at Simile a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
That wasn't it.
Probably sharpen that one though.
Hang on, you got your, yeah, never mind.
So anyway, that's how you do that one. So now I'm gonna do another one.
Catch it before it falls.
Is it gonna fall?
I don't know. Nope. So I checked the valves on my
So you do the same one on this one. You can see how deep the chamfer is on this one.
Yeah.
You still have valves in your Duramax?
Well, when I did the Duramax, I'm like, I'd actually watched this YouTube. I was gonna do it anyhow, but this guy on the YouTube's like, yeah, when you do this, you might as well check your valve clearance before you clearance before you put it back together.
The mechanical valves?
Yeah.
The hydraulic?
No.
It's a very common problem, these things bottoming out. Bottom of my foot.
Hot metal. That metal on the feet.
It's
You
right
get
down
some
there.
sun, man. Look at that tan I got.
It's burning my foot right here.
Ouch. That's not one.
See that was a hot chip right there.
Hot chip. Hot chip.
It's cool now because it was cooled off my foot.
All right.
So there's another 30 out of that one. You can still see the chamfer in there from original.
Yep.
So once again, we're not affecting anything except we're giving ourselves some clearances we need.
Clearance. Need some clearance.
It takes you a half hour to set your chuck jaws, and it takes you 5 seconds to cut the damn thing.
Yep.
So there's what it looks like now.
Put your piece in.
So our new shaft goes in there.
Bring it around where it's supposed to.
Big gap in there now. Like I said, when you torque it in there, it'll pull in half of that. It'll go disappear.
Right.
So it'll be a good strong clearance in there now. So that's how you do those.
All right. Cool. Is that enough of that?
Now we can move on to balancing.
Oh, back to balancing. Well, I'm gonna turn it off for now and then.
Okay.